Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase, how to buy SHIRYO INU on Coinbase, on your Coinbase wallet. So if you try to go here, and I already did this, so you'll see that I did that. If you try to buy this directly through Coinbase and you type it up, it's not going to let you. And look how high it is. Oh my gosh, it's going crazy. It's going to ask you to buy it with your Coinbase wallet. And if you don't have a wallet already set up, you can just click on this button and it'll take you straight. It'll just guide you on how to get this set up. But since I already have it, I'm just going to pull it up right now. And I want to start from the beginning so that you can see what I learned and some of the mistakes you may make and how to avoid them. So what you want to do is you want to have Ethereum to buy the coin SHIRYO INU with. And since my account, my Coinbase wallet and my Coinbase account are both connected, I was able to easily transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to my Coinbase wallet. And that's what you see right here. I transferred $100 worth and there was a slight, 8-cent fee. Okay, so now that you have it here, so you want to do that first because you need Ethereum to buy this coin. So you want to go to your 4 dots in the middle and you won't see this at first. If you have a brand new account, this was really frustrating because I couldn't figure out how to do it. So I was on my home page and you could just see the different coins. Actually, I didn't have anything here and you probably won't either if you're just getting started with your Coinbase wallet. But just click on the 4 dots below, right next to your settings circle thing there. So there are 3 buttons below, right? So the middle one, 4 dots. So you click on that. And then from here, you want to look for Uniswap. And you'll see, so basically this is a browser. Click on Uniswap, launch the app. And it's already set up for me because I did it earlier. But you want to swap Ethereum for SHIRYO. Oops. All right. So, and I want to swap 0.020. So about $94, right? Okay. So one thing, do you see where it says, where the unicorn icon is on the left? Top left, right below you'll see swap, and then all the way across you're going to see a transaction settings. That's where you change this. So when you first get started, this is going to be like at 4 and it's going to drive you crazy because you're going to be like, what the heck is going on? So it's at 4 right now. So I put what I want to trade or swap, and so if you do that, it's going to keep glitching you out and you're going to be like, what the heck is going on? This is broken. Something's wrong. What's going on? So basically how you fix that is, again, you got to play with these settings over here. Again, swap all the way across. You see that settings, transaction settings, and you want to change the slippage tolerance to 12%. Looks like that works. So you just got to change that. I did 12%. So that's good to go. So now I'm able to swap that. So see, now if you look below, so confirm swap, and you scroll down all the way down, you'll see minimum received, and then right above it, you'll see the allowed slippage, and it's going to be 12% now. And so see the price just keeps changing. So confirm. Now, it's saying that the miner fee or the gas fee is way too expensive right now. So as you can see, I don't have enough. And oh my gosh, guys, I tried this 5 minutes ago and 10 minutes ago, and it was first $80 for the miner fee, and now it's at $158. So I don't have enough Ethereum to pay for that fee, and I probably wouldn't because I'm not trading enough money or swapping enough coins, Ethereum for SHIRYO. So SHIRYO INU. So what I've learned is that if you try to do this again, like around 2 a.m., between 2 and 5 a.m. East Coast time, it might work better. So because there are fewer people trading. So, and this is also a really hot coin because it just sort of hit the market. Now, I'm still learning, and I am hoping to share things that are frustrating, like this slippage percentage. It was just so annoying. It took me a long time to figure it out. And so, yeah, so I'm learning, and as I learn something, I want to share it with you so that you're not wasting time or getting frustrated thinking that there's something wrong with the app itself. So anyways, so yeah, guys, right now it's just way too expensive. As you can see, the miner fee keeps going up. But this is a pretty hot coin. So if you get a chance, go for it. I'm going to wait a little longer before I can do that. These fees are too high. But anyways, I hope this worked. This video helped you out, and I will continue to share my journey with this crazy way of building wealth, and I hope to share it with you. Please leave me comments below or hit a like. It's a brand new YouTube account, and I plan to continue to share my journey and ways that I can be of service. So good luck, guys. Have a great evening, and yeah, keep an eye on this. All right.